Hi guys, I'm back yet again with another video, and this time I'm gonna review a serum that I've been using for last 1 month, and I'll share you honestly what I felt. It's totally personal experience. It can be different for you, for somebody else, but it's different for me, so I'm telling you my experience right now. So the serum I've ordered was this vitamin C serum from Himalayan Organics. So this K-beauty trend is really taking over the world and everybody is following, and one of the very important step in K-beauty is using a serum. So yes, cleansing, toning, whatever, everything is there, but what's more important is a serum. So serum has to be of a good quality. Like I always say, that use good quality products, and serum can be one of those products in your daily routine. You should add it, but how to use it, which one to use it is very important. So there are a lot of type of serums. So there's tea tree, different, but there is one which is for different skin types, but this one is a safest option, which is vitamin C serum. So I think you can also make it at home. I'm still working on the recipe on making serums at home, but this one is made. Vitamin C is same. So this bottle actually claims that it helps in anti-aging, and if you use it regularly, you can see the suppleness and the difference in your skin, right? So this bottle came with a dispenser like every other serum bottles. So one thing I love about this particular product is that you have to use it very little, like a few drops. So I'm using it from the past 1 month, and I've used, I think, till here, and still there's a lot of product left. So even if you're spending, if you see the amount, the MRP on the product, and you think that it's expensive, so I'll say that it's not. It just looks expensive, but then it goes a long way. So serums are also there in the face mask in a lot of quantity, so you can use that also if you are getting ready for an event or going for a wedding or whatever. But on a regular basis, you can use this serum also. So here I'll take, like I said, I'll take a few drops, and when I'm using it on my skin, what I do is I just put a few drops like this, and I'll just gently massage it on my skin like this, gently, so that the serum gets absorbed in the skin. So if you are staying at home, like you don't have to go out, then you can use the serum in the morning as well, in your morning routine. Otherwise, if you have to go out, because it may not react very nicely when you go out in the sun and dust and pollution. So if you have to go somewhere, then you can use this serum in the night with your other skincare products. You can use it definitely, and once it's done, you can just gently do this, slap your skin gently to get it fully absorbed in the skin. And then after this, you can use normal any moisturizer that you are using on your day-to-day basis, whatever suits your skin. You can use that moisturizer, and then you're good to go. So one thing about this product, personal experience, I find it really nice. It doesn't burn also, like you must have seen a lot of videos where people have claimed that their serums burn their skin. So no, this serum does not burn the skin. I have to take only 2-3 drops, and I just have to rub it on my massage it on my face, so that it gets absorbed really quick, really easy, and also it gives this little shyness to my skin after I use it. So I think this serum, for me personally, it has worked on my skin, and the condition was that I have used it regularly every day. I have used it. So you can also go for the serum. From out of 10, I'll give it 8 to this serum, and you can also go and use it. I think it's a must, and it is under 500 rupees. so it's not very expensive. It goes a long way, like I said before also. So this one is the product to go for, and I give a thumbs up to this serum, and I'll review other products also as soon as I use them for mine. Okay, so bye guys, see you later.